What's good, YouTube, bruh? Man, Kid coming through with another match analysis. Before this match analysis start, man, please make sure you smash the like button. So I know you guys been like, I've been talking about the VIP group, and I know a lot of you been curious, man. So I thought, man, I would share the kind of bets that we take in the VIP. So let me quickly slide through. Like for Sunday, this is for Sunday on the 15th, which was Sunday. So let me quickly show you something. So we started off with this, how we bet. So as you can see, Manchester United, bruh, took us out. Philip Coutinho came in and changed the game. No cap, I wasn't expecting this, you know what I'm saying, nation. But we almost secure 31 odds. As you can see right over here, this was 31 odds. But man, since it's the VIP group, I tell you all the time, nation, we send 2 or 3 tickets daily. So let me show you. But on Sunday we had 2 tickets. So this was the second one, bro. You know what I'm saying? This was the second ticket. Boom. I think it was around 7 odds. So we took the W, nation, man. You know what I'm saying? So make sure, man, we only need 20 more people in the VIP group and we lead, man. That's our goal. So if you're watching this video and you want to join the VIP group, it costs just 200 rand, bro. You're gonna make more because the kid coming through will lead, man. I put hard work into cooking them tickets. But without further ado, man, Brighton versus Chelsea. So today I'm thinking I'm gonna be going for around 5 odds, you know what I'm saying, nation, man. So let's see what the teams have for us, bruh. And another thing, nation, bruh, I've seen you guys, you're complaining, you're saying I'm not responding to some of your messages. So please, bruh, tell me, like, when you wanna join the VIP group, just say so. They say, bruh, I wanna join the VIP group, tell me how, and then we'll start talking. Because a lot of the time people come and they be wasting your boys' time, bruh. So I can't differentiate between who really needs my help and who doesn't. So please be specific when contacting me, because I get like over 300 messages, bruh. Okay, so as you can see, Chelsea been winning, Chelsea been drawing with Brighton, bruh. I feel like, man, I know cap Chelsea for now take this one home, you know what I'm saying. I feel like it's gonna be under 4.5. It's not because I feel like, but it's because like Chelsea or Brighton under 4.5. It's because I know so, you know what I'm saying, nation. I know Chelsea gonna come with this one home. Okay, so we're not betting international African Cup, cause, man, no cap, international games, man, they're hard, they hit hard. So then we got Lazio, Juventus. Look at these teams, bruh. Look at these teams. So today there might be a possibility for us to go for 15 odds in the VIP group. So that's why I'm saying, nation, bruh, don't miss out, bruh. Don't miss out, bruh. Don't miss out, bruh. Don't miss out, man. Okay, so Real Betis versus the Beto Alves. So this is La Liga, I think, or it should be like in Spanish Cup or something, but I'm pretty sure it's like La Liga, if I ain't mistaken. Okay, so as you can see, for this one, bruh, Real Betis been taking it home. So can we actually go with draw or Betis? But then we're gonna have to check let's go with over 1. Let's go with over 1, nation, man. Let's go with over 1.5, bro. Okay, Betis will draw over 1.5. You know what I'm saying, bro? So okay, so Up next, Lazio Rome versus Udinese, bruh. So depends. Here I'm thinking nation. I'm gonna go for 15 odds, 16, 20 odds in the VIP group, and we lead. We lead. By the way, if you're wondering why I wasn't consistent, Lazio versus Udinese, like I said, I was gonna be consistent. It's because my laptop broke on Friday, but we still lead, bruh. You know, man, kid always make a plan, and we lead, bruh. We lead, bruh. So today, hopefully, we take it W, bruh. Take it W. So, okay, so we're gonna slide over here. I would go with Lazio or draw, but then either way, man. Okay, this one was 4-4, 1-0, 3-0, 2-0. So we're gonna go over here and see Lazio's previous match analysis. Can we go with? Okay. Can we go with? I'm thinking now, nation. Lazio or draw under 4. Okay, nation, bruh. So let's go with over 1,5 due to the Lazio's consistency of scoring over 1,5 goals. Because I'm seeing there. Okay, so let's go with over 1,5, bruh. Sorry for wasting your time. I just had to think right there, nation, bruh. I just had to think that them games getting hard, bruh. Kid had to think one time, bruh. Kid had to think one time. Okay, Juventus versus Sampdoria. Okay, so Juventus, bruh. So hopefully, Lazio Rome don't disappoint, but I don't think they're gonna disappoint because they won like the previous 10 matches against the team and they drawed 4-4. So it would be unethical for me to say, okay, Sampdoria don't play, bruh. No cap, bruh. Sampdoria don't play. So for this one, okay, nation, bruh. I think for this one, bruh, it's fun. I need to say Juventus or Sampdoria over 1. Also here over 1. I know, but this one is also gonna be over 1. Alright, last but not least, I think it's Dortmund. So the question we need to ask with Dortmund, is it gonna be over 2.5 or under 4.5? Because that's where the odds are. So if you go with Dortmund and over 1.5, bruh, you ain't getting no odds, bruh. You stay like robbery for real, dog. You ain't getting no odds, bruh. None at all. Stay like robbery. Robbery. Can we go with Dortmund or the other team? No. Let's check Dortmund. Over 1. Over 2. Let's go with over 2.5. Hopefully Dortmund deliver 6.70 odds. Not too bad, nation, bruh. Remember, man, wanna see 20 of you in the match analysis. Without further ado, we gone, bruh.